Hello everyone. Have you ever looked up at a tall coconut or pine tree and wondered how does water travel from the roots deep in the soil all the way up to the very top leaves? It almost feels like magic, doesn't it? This upward journey of water and minerals is what we call the ascent of sap. Now, this process isn't powered by one single force, it's actually a team effort. Root pressure, capillary action, transpiration pull, adhesion, and cohesion all come together to make this miracle happen. Let's explore how nature engineers this masterpiece of water transport. Let's begin with root pressure. Imagine blowing air into a straw and watching bubbles rise. That's quite similar to how root pressure works. When roots absorb water by osmosis, it creates a gentle pressure inside the xylem vessels. This pressure can push water upwards a few meters. That's why, in the early morning, you sometimes see tiny droplets on the tips of grass leaves. That's guttation caused by root pressure. But here's the catch. Root pressure alone cannot lift water in giant trees like coconut palms. It's only the starter push, not the main driver. Next, let's talk about capillarity. Have you seen how water climbs up a thin straw dipped in juice? Xylem vessels in plants act the same way. They are narrow tubes, and water rises in them because of capillary action. This happens due to surface tension and the attraction between water molecules and the tube walls. The narrower the vessel, the higher water can rise. However, in tall trees, capillarity alone is not enough. It works best as a supporting force. Now comes the hero of the story, transpiration pull. Every time water evaporates from the leaves through transpiration, it creates a powerful suction force, almost like a vacuum cleaner pulling air. This loss of water molecules pulls up the entire column of water behind it. Thanks to cohesion, water molecules stick together like an unbroken chain, from the root tip all the way to the top leaf. This force is so strong that it can pull water to the highest canopies of tall trees. On hot summer days, when transpiration is at its peak, this pull becomes even stronger. Along with transpiration pull, adhesion plays a crucial role. Water molecules don't just stick to each other, they also cling to the walls of xylem vessels. This adhesion prevents the water column from collapsing under gravity. It's like the water is holding hands with the vessel walls while being pulled upward, giving the column extra stability. Without adhesion, the continuous water flow might break apart. And finally, we have cohesion. Cohesion is the attraction between water molecules. This invisible glue keeps them united, allowing the water to move up as one continuous stream. Imagine one molecule evaporating at the leaf tip. It tugs the next molecule, which tugs the next, and so on, creating a beautiful chain reaction. This molecular teamwork ensures that the stream of water never breaks. Here's a fun fact. The sweet coconut water you drink is actually sap that has traveled upward inside the plant using cohesion and these very same forces. So, let's connect everything together. The ascent of sap is powered by root pressure, the initial push; capillarity, the rise in narrow tubes; transpiration pull, the strongest suction force; adhesion and cohesion, the stabilizers that keep the water column intact. Together, these forces create a flawless system that keeps plants alive, nourished, and growing, even those towering giants of the forest. Isn't it incredible how physics, chemistry, and biology come together in the simplest act of a tree drinking water? I hope this journey through the forces of sap ascent has sparked your curiosity about the hidden wonders inside plants. Until next time, keep observing the miracles of life around you, because biology truly is the science of life.